what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be talking about ChainLink and the fact that it's been significantly outperforming the rest of the crypto market. Now, as we've seen, just like the stock market, cryptos have fallen in the last couple days, but ChainLink, which you'll see right here on this overall view of the crypto market, is up almost 10%, whereas, most other cryptocurrencies are actually down, right? And if we actually look at the CoinGecko past hour, 24-hour, and 7-day performance of these cryptos, you'll see, especially for the last 24 hours and 7 days, a lot of cryptos have fallen a lot, right? Around 1 to 3% just in the past 24 hours, and the past 7 days, anywhere from 10 to 20%. However, ChainLink is a huge exception, being green on all three of those, up 10.2% in the past 24 hours, and 18.5% in the past 7 days. So this is, very surprising and is a big selling point for ChainLink. This means that for whatever reason, fundamentally or whatnot, people are holding on to ChainLink. They're actually even buying more right now. That's something that I feel shouldn't be overlooked, right? Because like I said, you can go through all the other cryptos out there and you won't find any other one performing this well, right? Especially when we're looking at these bigger cryptos. So that's why I wanted to also cover a little technical analysis, see what's going on also on the charts and why this is happening, because it is currently making a very fast climb to getting into the top 10 in the crypto market cap ranking. So Tezos is at 1.94 billion and ChainLink is at 1.69 billion. But at this point, it could overtake it, right? Pretty soon, actually. So getting into that top 10 is a pretty big deal. And so we're going to hop over to the chart to see what's going on with the price. Also, don't forget to check out my Crypto 2020 Price Predictions playlist, because I've already covered ChainLink and have done a full price prediction on it in 2020. So definitely check that out. Link in the description. And I already had said that it was going to be one of the best cryptos in 2020, right? If you saw my best altcoin video, ChainLink was included in the 3 cryptos that I thought would be the best performing in 2020. So this is the USD chart. I'll come back to this in just a second. I wanted to just show you already compared to BTC how well it's performing. In fact, it's significantly uptrending on the BTC chart. So as you can see, I had already drawn this out during my price prediction video, but we got exactly what I predicted, which was initially a pullback to our breakout area and then a bounce, which is exactly what we got. And now we're basically just seeing an exact repeat of what we've already been seeing for the past couple of months, right? So we've been getting a few ups and downs, but overall we're continuously moving higher. And now we have even a new uptrend which has begun. We'll see if we can stay above that. Our longer term uptrend line is all the way over here, but basically a lot of support, and we may continue to have these ups and downs like we've had over the past couple months, but the trajectory is upwards and has no real signs of stopping as of right now. We actually just broke above the 70 line on the RSI, and that could lead to a continuation of this breakout higher, because we're actually currently, right now as we speak on this candlestick, at new all-time highs. So it's a blue sky breakout. We haven't reached above 0.0005 Satoshis. So, there's no telling when we're going to stop. Obviously, we will get a pullback as we need to come back and, test every breakout area. But that's not to say that we won't move higher, right? In fact, we could definitely move higher. And if we look at the USD chart now, you're going to see a very clear, picture-perfect cup and handle pattern. I've made a video on this pattern, and it has to do with an initial, pullback, then a flattening, and move back higher. You test the previous high, then you get a pullback, which is the handle, and then you get your actual breakout, which pushes you significantly higher, right? And this pattern can take a couple months to form, but it's an extremely strong pattern. In fact, if you look at it over here, you'll get a nice clear idea of this cup formation followed by the handle and then the breakout, right? The handle is what needs to happen right before you actually get the breakout above the resistance level. And if we go back to the link chart, what do we see? Exactly what I just said. In fact, if I pull out my ARC tool, you'll see just how accurate this is on the link chart. So we've got our cup and handle pattern. Actually, while I'm looking at this, we could actually have already formed the handle part of this pattern. Go ahead and pull out my brush tool to show you what I'm talking about. So the move lower followed by the flattening and then the move higher is forming the cup pattern, right? And this actually links perfectly to our previous high. So we're closing that right here, right below $5. And now we have actually already gotten our pullback, it seems like it at least, where we have gotten this pullback, which forms the handle part of this. And now we're moving back towards that $5 mark, which could lead to a very significant breakout based on, the cup and handle pattern, right? So I would pay attention to that and really consider if we get a break above $5, this could be very significant, right? Especially if we're able to hold above $5, we're really going to make our way onto basically, $10. That's not going to happen overnight, but we're going to be heading towards $6, $7 pretty shortly thereafter. It could take a couple months, but the next big stop is going to be that $10 mark. And even if that takes a year to get there, that is huge progress in ChainLink, and especially that it's performing this well in a not necessarily bearish crypto market, but maybe a kind of more stagnant crypto market where a lot of cryptocurrencies are staying flat or maybe dropping a bit. ChainLink is making big strides towards new all-time highs, and that's why I wanted to cover it today in this video. With that being said, this is the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you wanted me to cover other cryptos or the crypto market in general. And don't forget to check out my technical analysis master course if you want to be able to spot these patterns. It's the ultimate guide to technical analysis. Covers buying and selling opportunities, how to spot them, how to read candlesticks, charts, trading indicators, everything you need to know. 30-day money back guarantee. It's less than $20. We've gotten great reviews, 4.2 stars out of 5. And you've got nothing to lose by giving it a try. Your satisfaction is guaranteed within 30 days money back. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a great day.